As a business analyst, it is important to constantly advance your skills and knowledge to stay relevant and competitive in the industry. The best way to do this is by obtaining the CBAP certification. CBAP certification is more than just a title, it's a valuable asset demonstrating your business analysis knowledge and expertise. This prestigious certification enhances your skills and credibility, opening up new global career opportunities and earning potential. CBAP certification is a highly sought-after and respected credential in the business analysis industry. CBAP certified professionals have reported an average salary increase of 25%, making it a wise investment in your career. As businesses expand across borders, there is an increasing demand for professionals who thoroughly understand business analysis principles and practices. With CBAP certification, you will join an elite group of individuals with specialized skills and knowledge that are recognized and valued by companies worldwide. Employers are always looking for certified professionals, and having CBAP on your resume can set you apart from other candidates. CBAP provides a structured approach to business analysis, giving you a clear roadmap to proficiency. To obtain this certification, candidates must have a skilled, in-depth understanding of business analysis principles, techniques, tools, project management, leadership abilities, and proficiency in critical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication. Passing the CBAP exam may seem daunting. But don't worry, Adaptive US is here to help. In today's business environment, your skills should be measurable to win over decision makers. With our CBAP certification course, learn to sail out of complex analysis challenges, handle more strategic responsibilities, and make game-changing decisions that will set the company's development right, all while earning more as a senior-level BA. With Adaptive's 100% success or 100% refund CBAP training, we support you till you are a proud CBAP. Our comprehensive training goes beyond traditional BA courses. Guided by experts in business analysis world, you'll spend your preparation weeks in an immersive learning environment. Our CBAP certification training involves hands-on exercises and real-world simulations to help you master the art of tackling high-profile projects and getting the most out of all BA efforts. With our 100% success guarantee CBAP prep training, you can confidently aim for CBAP certification, knowing that we've got your back. Join the ranks of over 715+ certified business analysis professionals and be part of our impressive 97% first-time success rate. Choose Adaptive US and guarantee your success today.